Hello, I'm Eric from Bosch and I'd like to show you the all-new GWS108-76 VEC 10.8 volt lithium ion mini grinder. That's quite a mouthful. This is the latest addition to the 10.8 volt range of professional cordless tools. It's going to be available in a carton initially with the L-box insert. So if you're using L-boxes, the stacking storage system, then of course this insert will drop in with the product. And the little grinder comes with two discs, two cutting discs for metal and one newly developed multi-purpose tungsten carbide cutting wheel, which allows you to cut hard and soft wood, composites, plastics and what have you. So it's a truly versatile machine. Some people may question why the 76 in the model code if you pick that up. That's to highlight the fact that it's using a 76mm diameter wheel, and this isn't some unique weird Bosch diameter that will give you problems when finding the accessory. We chose this deliberately because this is freely available by abrasive wheel manufacturers because they are used on professional pneumatic grinders, for example. So 76 by 10mm bore is the size to ask for, but obviously we have these discs in our accessory program. And in the program, we also have a continuous rim diamond wheel as well. So if you're cutting porcelain tiles, for example, then that's an option too on this little product. So as you'd expect, nowadays it has a brushless motor, hence the EC in the model code. We know that brushless motors are efficient, superior runtime over the brush type products. Changing the wheel is simply with an Allen key which is supplied, and we have a little pull out sleeve here on the top which locks the spindle and allows you to change discs. Also, adjusting the all important safety guard is without tools. You simply move the guard with your hand into the position you require, and that stays put and protects you from the sparks and the waste. The switch on the side here is a straightforward angle grinder type slide switch, so you push it forward to use it in a dead man mode, but if you want to lock it on, which is likely the case, you just push your finger onto the front edge and the machine runs by itself. There's a blade brake, so the product stops very quickly. I'll just take a 10.8 volt battery from my combi just to illustrate that this is a system tool. So initially there will be no batteries in charger with it. We expect people to use existing batteries. Runtime also, of course, is quite good, and you'd expect a grinder to really eat the batteries, but you can make up to over 120 cuts depending on the material, of course, on one battery charge. And to extend the runtime, you might want to use the 4 amp hour battery, which is also available from our battery program. So let me just run the machine to show you how quickly the disc stops. Really quiet, really smooth. Let go of the trigger and the machine stops immediately. So added safety there. Usual precautions, of course, when using a grinder with bonded abrasive, use gloves, use goggles, but really handy product for cutting cable channels, threaded bar, you name it. Perfect addition to the 10.8 volt professional cordless range from Bosch.